Hi, it's Yvonne here, and I wanted to let you know that I've just launched my new book. It's called How to Start, Run and Grow a Bed and Breakfast Business That You and Your Guests Love. And it's on sale now until Saturday, August 31st, and the link is in the description box below. So why would you want to invest in my new book? Well, if you're a new owner, this book will help you to unlock the secrets to launching, managing and expanding your dream bed and breakfast, guest house, inn or boutique hotel without falling into the trap of outdated advice that drains your time, money and energy. And if you're a seasoned owner, this essential guide delivers a proven and step-by-step process to help you succeed, freeing you from the frustration, frazzle and financial pitfalls that you may have unwittingly fallen into. I've divided the book into 4 parts, and here's some of the insights and practical steps that you'll find inside. Part 1. In Chapter 1, we take a long, hard look at the current state of affairs and the challenges facing bed and breakfast owners today, and you'll gain a clear understanding of what it truly takes to thrive in hospitality right now. In Chapter 2, we'll discuss who this book and this message is for. Not every aspiring owner is cut out for the demands of running a successful B&B, and it will help you to assess whether you're on the right path before you waste any more time and money. In Chapter 3, I reveal the 5 universal challenges that every B&B owner faces, from operational headaches to market saturation and the obstacles that could derail your success if not properly addressed. In Chapter 4, you'll discover my time-tested frameworks and why they work better than tactics. Here we explore why adopting robust frameworks rather than quick fixes is the key to building a sustainable and profitable business. In Chapter 5, I'll take you through the popular frameworks in the industry and offer you insights into how you can optimize the frameworks I share to stay ahead of the competition. Now let's move on to Part 2, the proven winning formula for your dream B&B business. Chapter 6 will reveal the power of simple. You'll discover why keeping things simple, both in your business model and daily operations, can be the most powerful tool in your arsenal for realizing your ideal business. In Chapter 7, I break down the dream B&B formula into bite-sized steps. Big dreams are built one step at a time. This chapter reveals the dream B&B formula in manageable, actionable steps, guiding you through the process of creating a thriving business without feeling overwhelmed. In Chapter 8, we'll recap on what you've learned with the key points covered so far. This chapter will reinforce the core concepts and strategies discussed in this section, ensuring you're fully prepared to actually apply and implement the dream B&B formula into your business. And now to Part 3, where the rubber meets the road, turning the formula into your reality. In Chapter 9, I take you through my process of how to identify your ideal guests. Understanding who your ideal guests are is the foundation of a successful B&B, helping you to tailor your offerings to attract the right guests who will love and return to your property and pay your higher rates. In Chapter 10, you'll discover how to set yourself up online to attract those ideal guests. Your online presence is your first impression, and in this chapter, you'll learn how to craft a compelling online profile that resonates with your ideal guests, drawing them in and making your B&B their top choice. In Chapter 11, I'll show you how to deliver on your online promise for your ideal guests at your property. Your online promise sets expectations. Now it's time to exceed them, ensuring that your guests' experience at your property lives up to and surpasses what they saw online, creating memorable stays that lead to rave reviews and repeat visits. And finally, Part 4, the business of running a B&B that you and your guests love. In Chapter 12, you'll discover how to ensure your guests never cancel by having them buy more from you. Yes, really. You'll learn my little known and unique strategies for encouraging guests to commit to their bookings and enhance their stay with additional offerings that increase their satisfaction and your profits. In Chapter 13, I'll teach you how to stay in touch with your past guests to invite them to come and stay again with you. Your past guests are your greatest asset in your business. And in this chapter, you'll learn effective ways to maintain relationships with them, keeping your B&B top of mind and encouraging them to return for another unforgettable stay with you. And in Chapter 14, you'll discover how to attract new guests without relying on online travel agents, how to increase your direct bookings and reduce your dependence on online travel agents with practical methods for attracting new guests directly to your website, allowing you to maximize your profits and maintain a personal connection with your guests. And lastly, in Chapter 15, I'll show you how to add even more revenue streams that delight you and your guests to diversify your income while enhancing the guest experience. In this final chapter, we'll explore creative ways to introduce new revenue streams that not only increase your bottom line, but also add value to your guest stay, making your B&B a must-visit destination. Turn your passion for people and experiences into profit and build a thriving business with confidence by downloading my ebook now. The link is in the description box below, and I'll see you there.